video, we will repair a tear in the nasal septum of your SIMBODIES mannequin. On this mannequin, you can see there is a small tear in the nasal septum. We will repair this tear by using the matching silicone and a small spatula from your skin repair kit. Start with a small amount of silicone on the spatula and apply it to the tear until it is filled. You can continue to use the small spatula to remove any excess and shape the silicone over the top of the tear. Once you have filled the tear, we recommend placing a small piece of cellophane over the area to assist in the silicone curing process.